Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand that's by the brand called Humixx. And pretty much what it is an iPhone 11 Pro case. So first thing first, let's actually unbox it to show you what it looks like first. So when we open the package, obviously same as any Humixx product, they kind of have a little thank you card at the bottom. But then here we have the actual case itself. So this one in particular is actually similar to the one that I've tested in the past, where it covers the whole entire case, where it kind of have this little cover so you can't really see the back as much compared to like the clear cases that this brand has. But overall, the build quality on this product is actually really nice. You guys can see the build quality. Like if I've tried to flex it, it's not really that flexible, so it's very nice protection overall for the case. Side of the case is actually made really nice, so it has a little good grip material on it. But just apply it on really quick to show you guys what it looks like. So this is the all black design right here, as you can see. Kind of looks really cool with all three of these lines on here. So the design on this case is actually really nice because it covers the whole entire Apple logo in the back, so you guys can't see it, which is pretty cool. Throughout the case itself, it has the shockproof materials throughout the corners. Military drop tested, great as well for all of the Humixx brand cases, which is pretty cool. Charging slot and speaker in the bottom, very nice, made just right there, and use all the slots and whatnot on here, as you can see. So that's pretty much everything that's on the case. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So obviously this case can do wireless charging, same as any Humixx branded case, which is pretty much everything that I would want in a case, where it protects the case overall. Doesn't show the back, so it doesn't stand out as much and people won't know what kind of phone I have. Only issue that I have comparing this one versus the other case that I tested in the past is the fact that this material inside has a little microfiber cloth material inside, so it prevents the glass or matte finish black on the actual iPhone 11 Pro from being damaged. This one doesn't have that, but it kind of have that very nice kind of like protection, so it won't actually crack and whatnot. Compared to these, there's kind of like a silicone material where it actually bends. This one won't bend. So that's a good and bad thing depending on how you see it. Another thing that I want to mention on this case is that when you guys try to remove it, it's kind of hard to remove it because it's really stuck in there, so that way it's protecting the case at all costs and really nicely. So that's definitely not a bad thing, that's a good thing. So then you guys know the case is protected really well. But pretty much to answer the question of whether or not this product is worth it or not for $15 or $16, for me honestly, I have to say that this one in particular is really worth it, or any kind of phone case in particular is actually really worth it to protect your phone from being damaged, so you guys don't have to pay that extra $100 to repair it if you guys drop it and whatnot. But at the end of the day, it really depends on you guys as a consumer of whether or not you guys actually want to get one or not. But I highly suggest to get a case in particular so you can protect your phone at all costs. But other than that, that's pretty much just a little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of brand new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today, G Squad fan shout out day, we have